Hi guys, this is Nelson. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. Oh my gosh, okay, I know I've been gone for about almost like a month now or so. I don't even know how long I've been gone, but I've been really busy, and I know I say that in every one of my videos, but I have been busy, especially since it was the holidays and then New Year's came, and then I just had so much family and friend functions that I attended, and I was just overall busy with family and friends. So yeah, and also it was because, let's be honest, okay you guys, there's just times when you don't want to film, like you just don't have that mood to film, you know what I mean? And not only that, there was a lot of times when I wanted to film and there was just always something interrupting, just something, you know. Enough of this little rambling going on here. I am doing my shoe haul video for you guys today, and I will try to like put down all these shoes down in the description box, and yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing them or checking them out, go ahead and check down the links below. And if I can't find them, then I'm sorry, but hopefully I can find links to the majority of these shoes. And these are all really affordable shoes. And just a disclaimer for those that might be seeing this video and be like, why did I buy so much shoes? To be honest, I don't have that much shoes anymore because I threw a lot of my shoes out when I moved here. But I wanted to buy some new shoes because I did, like I said, throw my shoes away since they were getting old. So I just wanted to buy these shoes. And not only that, I didn't buy all these shoes all at once. I bought them these past months, like here and there. So yeah, just wanted to throw that out there just in case somebody was like, you know, like, why are you buying so much shoes or whatever. So yeah, and excuse my makeup. I had this makeup on for like the whole day today already, and it's kind of oily and all that stuff. So just deal with it. I'm sorry. But yeah, I hope that you guys missed me because I truly missed you guys so much. And yeah, okay, enough talking now, enough talking. First, I'm gonna start with Walmart. And yes, I do like Walmart shoes too, okay? Even though some people don't like Walmart for shoes, I do. So yeah. So I only got one pair of shoes from Walmart, and I got these, which they're just like these black, you know, plain flats, which I love. I love simple stuff like this. Like, they're just plain, and you know, it's black obviously, and I love these. They're just so plain and cute. And these were $9.87, so that was such a good deal for these. I love these, and they're really comfortable too. I already tried them on. I haven't worn them yet because, you know, you can still see the tag and everything, but I've tried them on at the store and I do like them a lot. So these will be perfect for like work, like if you did like an interview or something like that for a job, or just, you know, to wear around. These are just so cute. Okay you guys, so next I will be going into Charlotte Russe, and this is my favorite store. If you guys know me, this is my favorite store. I love this store. Like, I get my shoes and my clothes and everything from this store. So yeah, I got 5 pairs of shoes and I will be sharing them with you guys. So the first pair of shoes are these cute booties. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with how they look. They look like this, and they have the buckle up here, these 2 little buckles, and it has like these, which are like little straps, and it has like a heel, but it's like a chunky heel. So yeah, this is super cute, and it's black, and I don't know, I just love this type of shoes, booties specifically, because I feel like they go with like every like outfit. I don't know, they're just so simple yet so cute. And this is the other side right here, and I just love everything and anything that has straps in it. And yeah, excuse my nails by the way you guys, they're all chipped by now, but I was too lazy to like fix it and stuff, so y'all just gonna have to deal with it. But yeah, these were, let me check how much these were again. Oh, also to let you guys know, when I bought these shoes, they did have a sale going on and a deal type of thing, but I forgot what the deal was. But I did get these shoes for very affordable prices, so yeah, just letting y'all know. But this shoes was, so I got this one for $25, which is not bad for a boot. Like, I would not spend over $25, I feel, on shoes. I typically go around that range. $25 is like the max usually, or $30 at least. But other than that, I would not spend anything more than that. Okay guys, the next pair of shoes are these cute, like, caged strappy heel, like with this chunky heel right here. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm done with life. I love these type of shoes, like strappy heels. Like, I've always been in love with these strappy heels kind of type of shoes, you know, but specifically it has been, you know, coming back in trend in this style now. But back in the days when nobody wore these, I was obsessed with these already. Like, to be honest, I have a few pairs already that was like strappy already before it even became a trend, but I still love them, and my other ones are getting old, so I wanted to get a new one. And these are super cute. Like, I just love all these strappy material to it. I love the chunky heels like this because I just love chunky heels. I feel like they're more comfortable. And it has the zipper right here. You guys can see the zipper. And it just looks cute overall. And I love it so much. And I got this pair for... let me check how much I got it for. These I got for... where? Oh, I also got these for $25. So yeah, I thought they were just super cute, and I just think these are just like, I just love these shoes so much. Also, they're very comfortable. Like, I've tried them on already and they're really comfortable. Okay, the next pair of shoes I got were, are you guys ready? They're like these nude heels. These are super cute, you guys. So here's how it looks. It's like, it has a strap right here, and then it has also another strap right here, but then also this one comes with like a clear strap too. So the clear strap, and then like the regular nude strap right here. And it's really cute. It's just like, I don't know, I just felt like this is something different than what I usually typically go for. And it was also on sale, you guys. This was like, let me check the price. Yeah, this one was $12.99, so that was just such a deal for me. Like, I had to get it. Like, come on now, so cute. I love it. I love the color too. It's like really nude, but not like too nude. It's just like, I don't know, I love it. So the next pair of shoes I got were these. Oh my gosh. So I already wore the shoes already, and it's really cute. It's just a plain like strappy black wedge shoes. It has the little small short wedge right here and the little strap right here, buckle right here. And this shoes technically, like, I have to tell you guys, it's just so comfortable. I love the shoes so much. Like, if you're not the type that likes to wear like heels, but you like to still have like a little bit of height, this one is perfect. Like, I don't know, I just can't say enough good things about this one. Like, this one is just, yes, this is where it's at. And this one cost me, where's my little paper? God dang it. 10,000 years later, my paper was in the box. See how organized I am, you guys? Oh my gosh, I'm not organized at all. But this shoes was $14.99, you guys. $14.99. You just cannot go wrong with that price, you guys. The last shoes that I got from Charlie Russe are these. So this is basically like another flat, okay, a pointed flat again, but it has a strap on it. So it has a little strap on here, and these are just so cute, and I have not worn this yet, so yeah, but it has like a strap, so you're gonna be wearing it like with the strap on here and the pointed toe like this. So yeah, I'm like obsessed with these. I feel like they're just so cute, and like I said, anything with straps is like my favorite, you guys. So yeah, these actually I got it for a good deal, you guys. They were like $10. Like, I swear to God, they were like $10, and I was like, you can't beat that. Like, come on now. So cute. So the next pairs of shoes I got was from Go Jane, and this is the first time I actually ordered from them. And yeah, they actually have very affordable shoes too, so if you guys want to check them out, go ahead. So the first pair that I got was this. Oh my gosh, yes, it's a nude color, of course, and it's just the basic, you know, trending shoes now with the strap and, you know, the buckle up here. So yes, it's super cute. I love it, love it, love it. And yeah, I just love that it's nude, and it's actually not like a matte nude, it's more of like a shining nude. Like, you can see it like kind of shimmer a little bit, like it's like when the light reflects on it, it has like a little shine to it. So I thought that was cute, and I actually got this shoes for yeah, I got it for $10.95, so definitely affordable, you guys, definitely. Okay, the next pair of shoes I got, obviously you guys probably have seen it already because I did put it in my birthday vlog. So if you guys saw that video already, you would have saw the shoes already. And yeah, it is this one. Yes. Okay, so yeah, it's the same kind of style with the strap and the pump and the buckle right here strap, but specifically this color is like, I don't know, I'm just obsessed with this color right now. It's like this baby blue type of color, and I'm just obsessed with this color right now. I don't know why, I just am, and I love it. It's just really cute. And I don't know, I typically don't wear like color heels or whatever, but I just couldn't say no to this one because I love this color so much. And I got this shoes for well, originally it's $34 for this shoes, but I did get it for sale, and I forgot how much it was. They don't have it on here. They don't have it on here, but I know I didn't pay that much for it. I definitely didn't pay $34 for it. I think I spent like less than that. So yeah, this is just super cute. The next pair of shoes is, you guys might hate me, it's this one. Yes. Okay, yeah, I know I have like millions of these like type of style shoes and stuff right now that I bought, but let me tell you guys, it's just like nude lipsticks, you know, like they all look kind of similar, but they're really not, you know what I mean? So you can't go wrong with black, obviously, but this one is a little bit more different because it is more chunky. Like the heel is really definitely more chunky, and the strap is a lot more chunky. Like, I don't know if you guys could tell, but yes. Okay guys, so the last pair of shoes I got were these, and they're really different. Obviously they're the same style because yeah, now y'all girl loves this style right now, but they're really different than what I would usually typically buy because they have more of this like checkered type of style to them, black and white checkered all around, and I just feel like it was really different. And this shoe specifically reminds me of like the Hmong hat, like, you know, that one Hmong hat with this kind of design to it, and I just thought it was super cute. Like, if you know what I'm talking about, then you know, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is really cute, and I don't know how much I got this for, but I'm pretty sure, like I said with the other ones, it was really affordable. But the original price was $31 for the shoes. So yeah, super cute, super different than, like I said, my usual type of shoes I go for. And like I said, it has a strap here like every other one, like the shoes. So but yeah, it's really different. I just feel like, you know, I want to step out of my comfort box and try something different. And yeah, I feel like this will go good with like a black dress or like jeans with a black cute shirt. Like, who knows, this is just so cute. So yeah, that is all the shoes that I bought. They were all really affordable, and all these shoes I bought with my own money. And that is the end of my video, and make sure you guys give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you.